Make sure to keep your body flat in that plank position, especially on a decline, because if you're sagging your back, you're actually basically doing a normal push-up. I'm gonna actually show you guys what I'm talking about. So when I'm doing decline, when I talk about keeping that plank position, see my plank is stiff. You don't want to sag. So that second one I showed you when I was sagging, it's more basically like a normal push-up. So make sure you keep your core tight when you're doing that. The gym is closed today. We're about to go up to the park, do some chest and abs. It's raining out here. Let's see if we got this umbrella. No. No. Oh, there she is. Oh, that was loud. Alright, we about to get some chest and abs. Happy Thanksgiving. We about getting Betsy right here. Oh, Betsy.
You wanna hear it?
What is that?
The aux cord, bro.
Aux cord? He's got a new aux cord.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Man. Wait. It's for you. See what my
Where the aux cord is? Is this the aux cord?
Yeah. You see that cassette tape in it?
Now they calling me handsome. Let me get over the rest. Two-stepping, I'm out with the dancing. Maybe want some taking text. They call me handsome.
What's up?
You almost missed a turn.
I know where I'm going. We almost there.
Bro.
Yeah?
What happened to your bass, man?
It's a PT Cruiser. I don't know why. There's no bass in these cars. Are you open this?
Just push the black lever, bro.
What black?
Right there, yeah. Push it up. No, it's supposed to push. There's another one at the top.
I don't know what I'm doing, bro.
Oh. It's still recording. Got it. Alright. So we about to do some chest. We was gonna do some abs up here, but it's raining. It's kind of unnecessary to stay up here in the rain for abs. Not gonna do that. Let's get to it.
Yeah, that's
A lot of people try to stay away from incline push-up because they're easier than normal, but they do serve a purpose. Incline is going to work the upper part of your chest. So we're doing close grip right now for the first set. That's going to work the inner upper. Next you're going to do wide. That's going to work the outer upper part of the chest. So make sure not to stray away from the workouts just because they're easier. They could actually work a different part of your chest. And the decline is working the lower part. Let's keep going to it. Look, getting it. We chose to be out here. No, not really. The gym was just closed. we just wanted to work out. I don't like working out in the rain unless I have to.
Make sure you guys are doing nice load and control so you can feel the contraction in your chest also. Like with the incline, sometimes people say it's too easy, but do a nice load and control, you feel a nice contraction in your chest. Really target the chest more than just like going crazy with it. So make sure it's just another way of doing it, nice load and control.
Start to feeling it. And another thing to take into consideration, guys, is that when you're doing the incline and decline, make sure to keep your body flat in that plank position, especially on a decline, because if you're sagging your back, you're actually basically doing a normal push-up. So make sure you keep good form. I'm gonna actually show you guys what I'm talking about. So when I'm doing decline, when I talk about keeping that plank position, see, my plank is stiff. You don't want to sag. Now we're about to do wide grip, target the outer side of the chest, upper, lower. when you're doing the straight bar dips, make sure that your hands are about shoulder width. If you're any closer or wider, you could cause shoulder injury. And make sure that when you're going down to your elbows are 90. You don't have to go down any further. You could injure your front delt, but let's keep going. One more thing to keep in mind is that when you're doing your normal push-ups, when you're pushing, try not to flare your elbows out when you're pushing. Try to keep them in, like that. Don't flare them out. Look at him. Face of a warrior. You gotta want it right here. So you gotta eat, sleep, breathe.
So cold. So cold.
Set 3. So when you're doing your push-ups, make sure you're coming down at least with your arms 90 degrees. Make sure you're extending fully, locking out your elbows. Don't do no little pumps like that. Yeah, you'll get more reps, but you're not doing full range of motion. So there's some variations of your chest that you're gonna miss training. Make sure you get a full contraction. So next we about to do some dips over here. We're done with our supersets for today. We just got 4 sets of standard dips right here. And after that, we about to do inner to wide push-up, and that's it. That'll be 20 sets total. So the first 3 were supersets, and then now this, 4 sets of just standard dips. The next one, 4 sets of inner and outer push-ups.
Guys notice how it's going 90 degrees. Make sure you guys going straight down. Most people would like to have a slant, but that could work most of your tricep and not all of your chest. So notice how he's going 90 degrees straight down and straight up.
You make me look like I'm not pushing myself. They'd be like, dang, Q, you're not even really working out. It's like, but I am. I am though. I don't know, control my breathing, or I just don't make much faces. Oh, and when y'all do this, make sure every rep is not to failure. Make sure it's about like 90%. So say if you could get like 12 dips, and you know that's your max, probably do 10 for your first set. That way you don't fatigue yourself for set 2, 3, and 4. You want to keep the rep range about the same. So make sure to go at 90 with your sets. Don't go all out because you're going to fatigue yourself. And with the last set, you may not even be able to do that set. So, what's this, set 3?
Yeah.
Man, when y'all doing that, make sure to keep your reps low and just focus on being explosive. Because if you try to aim for more reps, you could break your form or something. So make sure to do what you can control. Focus on the form. Don't necessarily focus on say, okay, I will get this many reps. Focus on your form and get what you get. but go to about 90%.
It's not like this camera costs a lot of money.
$1,000 camera. Just
Bro.
the body.
Bro, what? That's my phone bill.
$1,000. You need to change your plans. Alright, that's the end of the workout. We did a outdoor chest workout. So remember, we started with 4 sets of a superset. Inside, incline, inside, decline. And then for the next workout, we did 4 sets of outside, incline, or wide, and wide decline. And then after that, we did 4 sets of a superset of straight bar dips and normal push-ups. And then after that, we just did 4 sets of standard dips. And then after that, we did 3 sets of in and out push-ups. But that's the end of the workout, and make sure you guys get up, get active, and do something, and make sure that you're working towards the goals that you want. Only you can do that. Let's go. Thank you. It's raining, but we're gonna try to see. I probably looked all pale. Hey, so what you about to get into today?
Unfortunately, I have to go to work in like 2 hours. Do not really want to go, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to eventually get to where you want to be.
Hey, but you got a short day though, right?
Yeah, man, it's Thanksgiving, bro. Man, today might be my cheat day because people bringing some that pie over.
What, that pumpkin pie?
Yeah, bro, that apple pie. Or they said that that olive bread. What is it called? Olive bread?
Olive bread. Oh, you talking about that
What's it called?
I know what you're talking about.
I forget what you call it, but then they talk about some mac and cheese, bro. I don't know if I can stay away from that, boy. You want to hear my bass?
Well, we heard your bass on the way here.
Yeah, that boy bang, don't it?
About to get this Thanksgiving started, prepped for the family. Hope y'all have a good Thanksgiving and just spend time with family.